Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video what we are going to see is like Coin Network. Okay, so this one is confirmed airdrop. Actually you'll be able to see your balance receiving in your dashboard. Okay, so it hardly takes within 5 to 10 minutes to do all the work. Okay, and then your balance will be already received in your dashboard. So I'm gonna show in this video how you're going to get this airdrop. Okay, so before we see about it, if this is your first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and continue watching it guys. By clicking that like button, it means a lot to me. So consider liking this video and continue watching it, and check out all other airdrops also. Surely you might get it. Okay, just try. Okay, even if you're not losing anything. Okay, you're not investing any money, just invest your little bit of your time. Maybe in the future if they are giving airdrop, you're gonna be benefited only. So try all other airdrops also in case if you haven't checked out, and check out all the videos. And come on guys, let's get into the video. So first of all, what is this Coin Network? Coin Network is actually they are building layer 1 solution again, and already received 2 million from Alumni Ventures, and literally Coin Network rises 8 million from Polychain Capital. So they are backed by big organizations, so that's the thing. And actually we're going to receive a token just by doing social media activities. Okay, just following, retweeting, very simple task only. So I'll show you step by step what and all you have to do. And before that, all these links you'll be able to find in my Telegram channel. I'll leave that link in the description. Just click on it and you will be able to find all the links. Okay, and the first step what you have to do is you have to join their Discord. Okay, it's the first thing. First we have to join their Discord, then only we need to connect our Discord in their platform. Okay, in order to receive the airdrop. So first accept this and join the Discord. Okay, so once you come inside, we have to join. Okay, by clicking that verification thing. So just click begin. So we have to do this another captcha also. We have to verify the answer. 50 minus 23 would be 27. So 27, then just submit the answer. So we successfully done the process. Okay, so you can skip this also, you can do the survey also, you can give them a survey. So we successfully joined here. So the next thing what we have to do is like now we have to go inside this dashboard and connect our Discord. So the first step is we have to join their Discord. So we successfully joined in their Discord. Now we have to connect it to this platform now. So just I'm clicking connect now, and we have to do the authorize and just select it, and that's it, you will get connected. Okay, so now here you can see we got successfully connected here. This is our dashboard. Here only we'll be able to see our total rewards tokens. Okay, so now here you can see it's showing 1x multiplier. Now I'll show you how you can turn it into 1.5x multiplier. Okay, that means in case if you are getting 100 token, it will be converted into 150 token. Okay, so that's what. So how to do that is it's very simple. Come here again inside their Discord, and if you scroll down, you will be able to see this get citizen role. Okay, so just select that, and once you select that, just click this citizen role. Okay, so very simple process only. Just click begin, and these answers, okay, they will ask you 10 questions. All the answers I have given in my Telegram channel. Okay, just click the link in the description, it will take you to my Telegram channel, and there you can find all the answers. Okay, and I'll just fast forward this now. So we've given our answers. Now get the role. Okay, so just select that, and so successfully we got the role now. So now go back to the dashboard, and here if you check, you won't be able to see. So you have to disconnect it and connect it again, then you'll be able to see the 1x multiplier. Okay, so again I'm just giving authorize, and we'll be able to see. See, now here you can see I'm a citizen, and 1.5x multiplier. So now what we have to do is we have to connect our Twitter account. Just click on the Twitter, and we have to connect our Twitter account with that. So I'm just giving authorize app, and it will get connected to the dashboard. So as of now only Twitter is available. We can't do it in YouTube and Reddit and TikTok also. So when they are giving when they are making that options also available, I'll make a separate video for that one. As of now only we can do it with Twitter. Okay, now let's do the task. Okay, it's very simple, it hardly take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so now the first task, this link. Okay, so I'll leave this link also inside my Telegram channel, you'll be able to find it. Once you click on that, it will take you here. Okay, so the first thing, Twitter rewards only we're going to do in this video, because only that option is available now. Okay, so the thing is, we have to follow their coin network on the Twitter to get 5 koi token. Okay, so we will be able to get 5 koi token. So let's join and get it. Okay, so just open their Twitter and we just have to follow them. So just select follow them. Now I've started following them and it's done. Okay, so the next thing is, so now we have to follow all these people. So each of them, if you're following, you'll be able to get 5 koi token. Okay, so just go inside and follow them. Okay, and I'll just fast forward this. Okay, it's like, so that I just fast forward these things. Okay, so you just need to follow them in all. So go inside each of these people and now I have successfully followed all these people. So now I should be getting 35 tokens. So altogether 40 token I should be receiving. Okay, so let's check whether we received it or not. So now if you see, you won't see anything. Okay, so we have to disconnect our Twitter and reconnect it, then only we will be able to see our rewards here. Okay, so I'm just gonna disconnect it now and I'm gonna connect it back. Okay, so I've just disconnected and I'm gonna connect it back and we'll be able to see our rewards now. So I'm just giving authorize app. So now here you can see I've already got 60 tokens. Okay, 60 koi token, and the reason why it's showing 60, because of this 1.5x multiplier. Okay, so now we got the token. Okay, it didn't even take 5 minutes. Okay, it's simple process, guys. Just try, because you'll be able to get this testnet token into mainnet token soon in the future. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, because this project is really good project. You can also check, and here you can see the testnet matrix also already 1700 nodes online and 1.6 million blocks mined. Okay, and 1 lakh above transaction is there. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, try this. Okay, so try and keep it so that you may get it. So now what I'm coming to say is, just try all the airdrops and you will get it in the future. If you are lucky, you will surely get it. Okay, and this one is confirmed one, and so try, you will get it. Okay, so the next thing what you can do is like open the task again. Okay, so after doing all this process, we can even do all these process also and get much more koi token. Okay, so it's very simple only. You have to replying to Koi network tweet up to 2 days until the post reaches 7 days old. Okay, if you are doing that, you will be able to get 1 koi token. And the same, like, okay, you have to go inside like and retweeting and you'll be able to get 1 koi token. And if you are going and making a standalone tweet mentioning, like, just mention their name and do the tweet. Okay, and if you are doing that, you will be able to get literally 5 koi token. Okay, so do all these things and come back here and check your balance. Okay, and about this YouTube and Reddit and TikTok, it's not available now, it will be coming soon. Okay, so when they announce it, I'll be making a separate video for that also, and I don't even have to make a video, I'll just update in my Telegram channel. Or if you want me to make a video, let me know in the comment section. Not only that, guys, if you check their wallet, and their wallet is also gonna come soon, and we can connect our wallet and access to our account, and we will be able to convert these tokens, and mainly we'll be able to convert these tokens into like this testnet token into mainnet token, and we can sell it. Okay, so try this, guys. Don't leave any airdrop. Okay, try all the airdrop. If you are lucky, you will be getting it in the future. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. Make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to comment below whatever doubt you have. And if you want me to make much more airdrop videos, let me know in the comment section and like this video, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.